They say price is what you pay, but the value is what you get. So how to maintain your car so that you get 10% extra resale value? It's simple. Really. First off, take your car to an authorized service center regularly. A consistent servicing history boosts your car's value a great deal in your dealer's eyes. Drive safely. An accident-free vehicle will always have a higher exchange value. Now, in case your car does get in an accident, trust only authorized workshop for repairs. Also, be very vigilant about mileage manipulation. Now, a manipulated mileage reading is easy to track and makes you look unreliable. Now, cars can also get blacklisted for legal reasons. So make sure your loan and challans are fully paid and any hypothecation is taken off from RTO records. And yeah, don't be timid about negotiating for a few exchange benefits. It can actually top up your car's value by 2 to 5%. And finally, avoid any hassle by being prompt about getting the transfer registration certificate from your dealer. That's it. A few tactics to make sure you get the best deal for your car whenever you choose to let it go. See you later.